and you just press create your first post there, and you can type in the text you want. So this is to put text over an image. If you want breaks in between your text, it is to be noted that you need to put those there. And this screen, now you select your photo. So I'm going to go back to this coffee cup photo. Then I press that blinking arrow right there. And this will give you a slight tutorial too, but basically this is what's going to happen. It's going to start putting these overlays over your picture with animated text. So obviously you can adjust those. That's what you just saw there. This bar on the left hand side, I like that it comes over and then we have that text there. So I'm going to edit this a little bit, picked my color, and we'll see, comes over, that color matches the picture a little better. And you can see there are all these different designs. If you pick more designs, these are for the Pro version. You can see there are just a ton of these different designs to pick from. So I'm just going to stick with the design that I have now. So I'll exit out of this. I press, you can pick video or music if you would like to. There are only like 4 songs you can use for free. I don't usually put music in the background, so I don't need that. And then, yeah, you press the blinking arrow and you pick animated or still, and it'll download. It is going to keep that Ripple logo in the bottom right hand corner, which is fine. A lot of people see watermarks like this nowadays, and just
Post
know
straight
that
to
you're just not
your
paying
social
for the
media
Pro
here
version.
if you'd
That's
want.
fine. If not, you just save it to your phone.